Hello everyone. Let us discuss the partial fractions. This is the chapter in paper 2A. In exercise 7A, in the first Roman first problem is 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 x minus 3. Let us solve this question that 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 x minus 3 is equal to a by x plus 1 b by x minus 3. Suppose equation number 1. Take LCM in RHS. So a times x minus 3 b times x plus 1 by x plus 1 x minus 3. Denominators are equal and gets cancelled. So next step will be 2x plus 3 is equal to a times of x minus 3 plus b times of x plus 1. Suppose equation number 2. Now here we have to calculate the values of a and b. To get the value of the a, put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Minus 1 in equation 2. We have to substitute x is equal to minus 1 in both left and right of the equation 2. Therefore, in left we have 2 times of minus 1 plus 3 is equal to, in right we have a times of minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 plus b times of minus 1 plus 1. B times of minus 1 plus 1. Here we are substituting x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Therefore, the simplification is minus 2 in left plus 3 is equal to a times of minus 4 plus b times of 0. Right? 1 is equal to minus 4a because the next term is 0. Implies a is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is the value of the a. Now in the equation 2, to get the value of the b, put x is equal to 3 in equation 2. Put x is equal to 3 in equation 2. Therefore, 2 times of 3 plus 3 is equal to a times of 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0 plus b times of 3 plus 1. 6 plus 3 is equal to a times 0 plus b times 4. 9 is equal to 0 plus 4b. That is equal to 0 plus 4b, result is 4b. Therefore, b is equal to 9 by 4. b is equal to 9 by 4. Now put a comma b values in equation 1. Equation 1 is this one. In the left it is same, 2x plus 3 by 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 x minus 3, x plus 1 x minus 3. In the right, in place of a we are going to substitute a value is minus 1 by 4 and divided by, in the denominator, x plus 1. A divided by x plus 1. In place of b, we have to substitute b is equal to 9 by 4 times x minus 3. X minus 3. Right. Now the simplification is 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 x minus 3 in the right, minus 1 by 4 times of x plus 1 plus 9 by 4 times of x minus 3. Always it is better to write the plus term in the first position. 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 x minus 3 is equal to 9 by 4 times of x minus 3 minus 1 by 4 times of x plus 1. This is the final step. Okay. Now let us move on to the next question. Second question. 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x times 1 minus x. Let 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x 1 minus x is equal to a by 2 plus x plus b by 1 minus x. Suppose equation number 1. Now take LCM in RHS is equal to a times of 1 minus x b times of 2 plus x by 2 plus x 1 minus x. Denominators are equal, identical, gets cancelled. So the simplification step is 5x plus 6 is equal to a times of 1 minus x plus b times of 2 plus x. Suppose say this is equation number 2. Now to get the value of the a, put x is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. Put x is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. 5 times of minus 2 plus 6. A times of 1 minus of minus 2. B times of 2 minus 2. So here it is minus 10 plus 6. A times of 1 plus 2. B times of 0. Right. Now let's move on to the next step. In the LHS we have minus 4. In the RHS 3a plus 0. 3a plus 0. So result is a is equal to minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. This is the one value. Now to get the value of the b, in equation 2, put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 2. In the left, in equation 2, in the left we have 5x plus 6. 5x plus 6. 5 times 1 plus 6 is equal to, in the right we have a times of 1 minus x. 1 minus 1 plus b times of 2 plus 1, right? 2 plus 1. 5 plus 1, Here it is 5 plus 6, A times 0, B times 3. So in the left we have 11, in the right we have, here it is 0. 0 plus 3b. Now the simplified step is, that is equal to 3b. Now the simplified step means the value of the b is 11 by 3. 11 by 3. Put a comma b values in equation 1. In equation 1. Here it is equation 1. 5x plus 6 by 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x 1 minus x. 2 plus x 1 minus x is equal to, a value is minus 4 by 3 divided by, in the denominator 2 plus x we have. 2 plus x, and the b value is b by 1 minus x, and the b value is 11 by 3. 1 minus x. Let us write in the proper manner in the RHS terms. 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x 1 minus x, and in the right minus 4 by 3 times of 2 plus x plus 11 by 3 times of 1 minus x. Always better to write the plus term in the first position. So the final step is 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x 1 minus x is equal to 11 by 3 times of 1 minus x minus 4 by 3 times of 2 plus x. This is the final step. Okay, thank you.